upbeat music plays, visuals of both steam mops on screen. Welcome back to our channel, where we help you make smarter purchasing decisions. Today, we're diving into a showdown between two steam mop titans, the PurSteam 10-in-1 Steam Mop and the Steam & Go 10-in-1 Steam Mop. Let's see which one can make your floors sparkle. First up, let's talk about price. Both the PurSteam and Steam & Go are listed at $99. Reviewers appreciate that neither product will break the bank while providing valuable cleaning capabilities. The PurSteam is praised for its overall versatility, while the Steam & Go is noted for its efficient cleaning, making both great investments in your cleaning arsenal. Now onto cleaning power. The PurSteam utilizes heated steam effectively, particularly noted for cleaning kitchen floors and grout. Reviewers have expressed satisfaction with its performance on various surfaces. On the other hand, the Steam & Go features a dual-tank system that allows for both water and detergent, making it effective at removing tough stains on laminate floors. Users appreciate the adjustable steam power and versatility of attachments, especially for different surfaces like grout and garments. Next, let's discuss heating time. The PurSteam heats up in just 30 seconds, which is a favorite feature among users who value efficiency. In contrast, the Steam & Go does not specify its heating time, leading some reviewers to find it less predictable. However, those who have used it have still found it effective once heated, though the suspense of waiting can be a factor. Handheld functionality is another important feature. The PurSteam can detach to steam clothes and hard-to-reach spots, earning it the nickname of the Swiss Army knife of steam mops. Reviewers love this versatility. The Steam & Go also transforms into a handheld steamer with 360 OS attachments, which is likened to a transformer, making it fun to use for various cleaning tasks. When it comes to accessories, the PurSteam impresses with a wide array of tools, including brushes, nozzles, and a carpet glider. Reviewers find this comprehensive set useful for various cleaning tasks. Meanwhile, the Steam & Go also comes with several attachments, but is noted to be slightly less comprehensive. Some users feel it lacks the party atmosphere of the PurSteam's accessory lineup. Lastly, let's talk about convenience. The Steam & Go offers an impressive 20-foot power cord, allowing for great mobility around the house. Reviewers love this feature for ease of use. The PurSteam, while slightly more compact, is noted for its shorter cord, which can be a downside for some users who prefer to move around freely while cleaning. Overall, both steam mops have garnered positive reviews, with users highlighting the PurSteam for its versatility and cleaning capabilities, while the Steam & Go is praised for its effectiveness and long cord. The PurSteam is seen as a reliable multitasker, while the Steam & Go is appreciated for its... So there you have it, folks. The PurSteam 10-in-1 Steam Mop is a versatile powerhouse, while the Steam & Go offers innovative design and a longer reach. If you're looking for a reliable cleaner, PurSteam might be your best bet. But if you fancy a dual-tank system and a cord that lets you roam free, Steam & Go's got your back. If you enjoyed this showdown, hit that like button, subscribe, and let us know in the comments which mop you'd pick and why. Don't forget, product links are in the description.